So here we are with another review. This is the Mindga Magician X. This particular machine comes 99% already pre-assembled, which for a new starter in the 3D printing world is absolutely amazing. You don't have any drama when actually trying to set it up, so it's really easy, just a few bolts on either side and you're away to go. It features a one-touch bed leveling system built into the actual extruder itself. As you can see, a double gear direct extruder, so this is perfect for most prints and you won't get any sort of retraction issues. It also features a carbohydrate glass bed. Like I say, this does stick really well and sometimes a little too well, so you do have a little bit of issues trying to pull the actual prints off from the bed. Allow it to cool down, that should help, and if not, definitely adjust your baby steps during prints, and that would help you lifting the print off the bedding at the end of the print. It also features a USB slot, a full size SD card slot, and a USB-C slot. This is great for multi-purpose connections and use. So I really like that feature about this. Also comes with a SD card storage system, so you can fit 2 in there. So if you've got like multiple SD cards, that's definitely a bonus. I know a lot of people go to Thingiverse and print off like storage systems, but it's already been taken into consideration, so I really like that. Over to the left you will see there's a storage box. In there you can keep your tools. The only thing that I would say that was a bit of an issue was that if you need to access those tools during print, it's not really going to work out too well with the bed slinging backwards and forwards. But I don't think that's too much of an issue. It's a ribbon cable connection, so I really like that about this particular machine. It makes it tidy. What else do we have? Silent. Yeah, so what I like about this machine is quite silent. It's not too bad, to be honest with you. Slight whir there, as you could probably hear. I've got this running quite fast, so this particular print I have on there is one of the parts for the Death Racer by the real Sam Prentice. Sam would probably want me to say it like this: Death Racer. Yeah, get yourself over to that channel and get yourself printing them. I think it's amazing. So we've got a group. They've got a group going on Facebook, so join up to that. Check out all the YouTube videos about it. Some fun videos with 3D printing nerd and Sam and tripod. Yeah, it's brilliant. Yeah, definitely check that out. The bed size for this is 230mm by 230mm and 260 on the height. It features a 3.5-inch colour touchscreen. All the parts have been brilliant so far. All the models that I've got from this, as you can see from these images that I'm going to be showing in a bit, you'll see the models that I printed on this Mindga have been absolutely amazing. It has dual Z rods, or Z rods, sorry, depending on what country you're from. So both on there, dual motors, so the stability of this. A nice carry handle if that's what you choose to do, so it's great for sort of transporting. So above printer, spool holder. Not always too keen on that, but because it's direct drive, it needs to be sort of above it. But I always find that if you don't have a stable surface, it can be quite wobbly, but as you can see, it's not too bad right now. So my overall thoughts on the Mindga Magician X: prints really well. I've had no issues with, like I say, adhesion, sometimes a little bit too well. But say it's nothing that can't be dealt with. You've got the dual tension rods on either side, so the front and the side there. Power cable to your right hand side and the power switch. In terms of the actual print quality is amazing. Like I say, seeing the pictures that I'm going to be showing at the end of this, you'll see that the prints were certainly up to standard for the price range of this particular printer. So yeah, just a quick review on this. this was kindly sent over to me by Real Sound Apprentice for me to review, so it's just a quick review. No unboxing on this because it was already pre-built for me, but like I say, with it 99% pre-built, I don't really need to worry about sort of showcasing that. I think it'd be fairly easy to actually do yourselves. Yeah, any questions? So yeah, Phil from 3DP UK here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's really important for me to share, you know, what my thoughts on sort of a low-end reviewers. I don't go into all the jazz of it. I just try to keep it as simple as possible. Yeah, check out my channel, like and subscribe. That's 3DP UK, and this is the Mindga Magician X. Take care, everyone.